Hi there, I'm Little Bill. Do you know what I'm gonna do? I will go play sound effects at 3 AM. Because I am not sleepy and playing sound effects at 3 AM seems pretty fun. Ha 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 ha. Now, I'm gonna get the speaker out. Yes, now I got the speaker out. Now it's time to play loud sound effects.
Then I go.
Optimus Prime. Optimus Prime. Check out the I got more energy coming up.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, Little Bill, how dare you try to play loud sounds at 3 o'clock AM. That's it. You're grounded for 3 weeks. Go to bed.